Okay, this tire here got a little problem. It's got a really slow leak. It's causing the tire pressure monitoring sensor light to come on. So we're going to jack up the car and see if we can figure out what's going on. As you can see, we got the tools laying there that we need to change this tire on the Volkswagen Jetta. We're going to start by pulling off the caps on the lug nuts like this. And set them aside. Now we can loosen the lug nuts. That was a little bit tight. You can sometimes use your foot like this and break it loose. Okay. Now, if you notice, most of them equipped with one locking anti-theft nut. Be sure and use the proper tool to get it off. Okay, we got all the lug nuts loose now. We're going to put the jack in the proper place. What you got to do is feel right in this area. You'll feel a little dimple. That little dimple tells you where to locate the jack. Okay. Slide the jack into place. And there's a rib underneath there. And the jack goes right on that rib. So now we're going to lift her up. Crank the jack. Crank the jack up until the tire's a little bit off the ground. And always remember to put it in gear and set the emergency brake. You could also block the tires. Okay, we're going to spin the lug nuts off now. Remember, you got to use the tool to get the anti-theft nut off. Okay, now we're going to check the tire, see if we can't find something in the tire or maybe feel some air someplace. I'm not feeling any air right now. Oh, right here. Looky here. Is a daggone nail, and you can see the air leaking a little bit around it. So that's our problem. So we're going to take it in the shop and work on it.